Cloudways. Experience up to 65% faster performance. If you're looking for managed cloud hosting that combines speed, flexibility, and ease of use, Cloudways is a platform worth considering. In this review, I'll explain what Cloudways offers, who it's best for, and why so many website owners choose it for their hosting needs. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that allows you to launch websites on top cloud providers such as DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud. Instead of managing complex server configurations yourself, Cloudways provides a user-friendly dashboard that makes cloud hosting much easier. One of the biggest advantages of Cloudways is performance. The platform is optimized with advanced caching technologies, SSD storage, dedicated resources, and built-in performance tools designed to help websites load quickly. Faster websites can improve user experience, increase engagement, and even support better search engine rankings. Another feature many users appreciate is scalability. As your website grows, you can increase server resources with just a few clicks. This makes Cloudways suitable for blogs, business websites, online stores, agencies, and growing projects that may need additional power in the future. Security is another strong point. Cloudways includes free SSL certificates, automated backups, dedicated firewalls, and server monitoring tools. These features help website owners protect their data without needing extensive technical knowledge. For WordPress users, Cloudways offers a particularly attractive solution. You can deploy WordPress quickly, manage multiple websites from one dashboard, and access features designed specifically for WordPress performance optimization. Developers also benefit from tools such as staging environments, Git integration, and team collaboration features. Customer support is available 24/7, which can be extremely helpful when dealing with website issues or server configurations. Having access to technical assistance at any time provides peace of mind, especially for business owners who rely on their websites. Pricing is generally based on the cloud provider and server resources you choose. This flexible model allows you to select a configuration that fits your budget and performance requirements instead of paying for resources you don't need. So, who should use Cloudways? It's an excellent choice for website owners who want the power of cloud hosting without the complexity of managing servers themselves. Whether you're running a personal blog, an e-commerce store, a business website, or managing client projects, Cloudways offers a strong balance of speed, reliability, and ease of use. If you'd like to learn more about Cloudways or get started with their platform, check out the Cloudways link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more hosting reviews, comparisons, and website building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.